Excellent cooling performance. Best one at nominal rate. Very nice in this price, but it heating too much. I love it. Awesome product. The product is value for money and capacity is also good. Nice product, design and performance good. Everything was good, felt a more narrow than wider. Cannot place a full drumstick in the vegetable rack. Edit, July 8, 2019. Convert mode not working as per manual. It's a gimmick. It frozen everything I put during convert mode. Convert mode. Good. Whirlpool refrigerator has delivered within the time without any damages and scratches. Installation has taken place on the same day. The cooling of the refrigerator is good. Awesomely satisfied with the purchase. Like this product. Very good product, delivered on time and the color and quality was as per the description. This refrigerator is a really good bargain for the features and the capacity. All other brands charge you easily over 30k. For the same amount of capacity, really happy with the purchase. Nice product. Click link in description for more reviews.